In this video, I'll show you how to remove product short description in WooCommerce. As you can see on this particular product, there are two descriptions. The one at the very top right here is the short description, and just underneath right over here is the main description. So if you're looking to delete the product short description, in this video I'll show you the settings where you can do so. At first, log into WordPress admin account. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, on the left side of the screen, hover on products, and then select all products. Now look for the product in question, in my case it's this one, coffee table, and then select edit. Once the product editor loads, at top right corner, click on gear icon, and then make sure the product short description is enabled. Now scroll a bit down, look for the product short description section, and that's where you can make the change. As in my case, let me highlight all the text within the field, then press delete, and then select update. Once the product was updated, go back to your product page and try refreshing it. And as you can see, the short description has been removed from this particular product. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.